Yesterday you learned how to use the try and except block in Python. Try and except avoids the program from breaking abruptly for the user with an error. So instead of showing an error to the user, which is not recommended, you give a new opportunity to the user to enter the correct commands. So in our case, if the user entered something like edit, do that instead of edit 1 or edit 3. So if they entered edit do that, which is a wrong command to enter, we perform these actions. So we tell the user that the command is not valid, and then we continue the loop. We give the user a new opportunity. So we ask the user to enter the command again. And we check all the cases again freshly. It was important to specify the name of the error here, value error in this case, so we saw that in the command line we got a value error, therefore we specify that in here. And that was what you learned yesterday. Today there's a lot of important things you need to learn, so I'll see you in the next video.